Registering a company in South Africa is faster and cheaper than most people think. But get one detail wrong and you can spend months and real money fixing it. So here's exactly how to do it, the right way, step by step. By the end of this, you'll know how to walk away with a properly registered company, a registration number, your official certificate, and the documents that banks and clients actually ask for. Step 1, choose your structure. For most businesses, that's a private company, a Pty Ltd. It's a separate legal person from you, so it shields your personal assets, and it's the structure banks, clients, and corporates take seriously. Step 2, your name. Have up to 4 name options ready. CIPC checks them in the order you list them and gives you the first one that's available. And here's a tip. You can register now and add your name later. A number-only company is completely legal. Step 3, your people and your details. You'll need each director's ID, their contact details, and a registered business address. Every director must be 18 or older and not disqualified by law. Step 4, decide who owns what. Your shareholding is simply how ownership is split. 2 equal partners? That's 50-50. Going solo? You hold 100%. Get this right up front, because changing it later is admin you don't want. Step 5, file it with CIPC. You submit your directors, your name choices, and your share structure, and you pay the registration fee. CIPC reviews everything and then issues your company. Once it's approved, you receive the important part, your company registration number and your certificate of incorporation. This is the official proof your company exists, and it's what you'll use to open a bank account and sign contracts. So, how long does it take? A straightforward registration is usually done in just a few working days. The government fee is small, and with Smartbook, we handle the entire registration for you and deliver your documents ready to trade. But here's what most people miss. The day you register, the clock starts. You now have to file your annual returns, keep your details up to date, and register with SARS. Registering your company is the starting line, not the finish. And that's exactly what we do. Smartbook registers your company properly the first time. The right structure, the right documents, and then keeps it compliant so you can focus on building the business. Tabr, that's smartbookie.co.za, and the link is in the description. So there it is. Structure, name, directors, shares, and file. Do it right once and you never have to redo it. Let Smartbook handle the paperwork brilliantly. Visit smartbookie.co.za or email hello@smartbookie.co.za. And if this helped, subscribe. It's the smart move.